Sunny side up eggs really say it all with their name. It's all about that golden, sunshiny joy of a perfectly runny egg yolk perched on top of a set egg white with a crispy ring around the edges. That's a sunny side up fried egg to really kick things off. This has got to be one of the easiest ways to get eggs on the table, and the only thing you need to know is your timing. How runny the yolk is just depends on how long you leave the eggs in the pan for, but the starting point is the same. Just take a non-stick fry pan, heat it on a medium heat, and then coat the bottom in enough butter or oil just to cover the base of the pan. You can do the same thing with chili oil or pesto too if you're feeling brave, but for classic, I start with butter and make sure that it sizzles. Then crack your eggs into the pan one at a time, leaving a moment between each one just so your eggs don't fuse together, and then place the lid on the pan. This just helps steam the top of the eggs while the underside fries and gets nice and crispy. 3 minutes will give you a perfectly oozy yolk with nice crispy edges, and a little longer will just help it firm up. When the eggs are done to your liking, slide them on top of your favourite dish and enjoy the gooey goodness and crispy edges.